Hi everybody in the house! Together with me, Dimas Yunani at Kadut Attentional. Today I will cook for you everybody Tsikoti Riji. It's mean chicken liver rice. Food is original Greek food Volos village. I get this recipe from old chef in Volos, Greece. Today, I will make you enjoy and taste this food because this food very lovely, delicious food original from Volos village. Ingredient we need is 500-gram chicken liver, rice 200-gram, 2 lemon, olive oil, feta cheese from gut, oregano, black pepper and salt. And then we just put everything in the Pyrex and we use oven 180 degree till 1 hour. Alright everybody, before I start to cooking, I just said thank you for everything you watched my video today, and then thank you for your support. Subscribe, share and comment at my channel. Let's go cook. First time we put liver, Tsikoti, the name in Greece, Tsikoti Kotopoulo. After we put together the rice, this the Thailand rice, Jasmine rice. Easy, right? Very easy, simple, but this food is original village Volos. After that, we put oregano, 1.5 teaspoon. We mix like this only. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. And olive oil. After we put all together, we just mix it like this. Maybe you think this rice never done in oven. No, will be done, perfectly done. And we put also water, 100 milliliter. Don't forget we put this thing in the oven 180 degree till 1 hour. After that we give lemon. Alright everybody, everything we fix it already. Yeah, I just remind you, you never found this food in a restaurant because this food original, traditional from Volos village. Let's go cook and wait until 1 hour. Don't forget subscribe, like and share my channel. Kadut channel will be grow and will become every day in your house. Thank you. For this feta, I prepare if everything's done and we serve. We use feta. Alright, you can see 180 and then we use blower till 1 hour. After 40 minutes we stir to make everything mix it will be done. Alright, Tsikoti Riji Volos is ready like this. After that, we just put dairy. We put feta in here because this still hot. Still hot is good to make feta a little bit melted. After we put lemon. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching my video. This recipe original from Volos village. I hope you can try in your home. 100% this food is delicious. Okay, Tsikoti Riji Volos ready. I hope you like with this food because the taste sour from lemon and we have very taste from oregano and feta. See you another recipe. Salam Indonesia.